So I'm gonna try my best with this video. I can barely talk because I'm so freaking cold right now, but here we are at Wengen, Switzerland. In that valley is Grindelwald. Yeah, it's a very beautiful place. Okay, so the point of this video today is to comfort people that have been stressed out about this current drawdown. Now, I know many of you are probably noobs at this space, and that's fine. And you need to understand what we've been through in the past. And so, considering this is my fourth bull market, I'm going to share some facts with you that is really going to comfort you and make you really relax, hopefully. But first, here's some trolls that I've had before. I love trolls, first off. Like, as long as they're not swearing at me or calling me names or whatever, I'm not going to block them. So recently, I comment on a couple Twitter accounts, and I said, after somebody posted like Bitcoin's been up a certain amount per year, I said, if you think that's incredible, wait for alts to take off. You've seen nothing yet. And I got things like shut up scammer, no bull without crap coin shillers, and brother, we don't focus on crap coins. There's no second best crypto asset. And I agree with that last one, that there is no better crypto asset other than maybe Monero. I'd wonder what that troll would think about Monero. But, this is really good because I think this place has a lot to grow. First off, most people don't even know that Satoshi called Bitcoin crypto. Did you know that? He actually said that in his emails. He said cryptocurrency. So moving on to Satoshi specifically, the US spot ETFs have overtaken Satoshi's wallet. Now, Satoshi Nakamoto has 1,100,000 Bitcoin, and the US spot ETFs now hold 1,104,534 Bitcoin. Yeah, so you know what? What did I say before this whole spot ETF would happen? I said, if BlackRock ever gets this passed, they're going to strive to own more Bitcoin than Satoshi. And this is what is happening right now. And I expect them to, like BlackRock specifically, to own more than Satoshi. And Coinbase is the custodian for all but one ETF provider. So really interesting news there. Okay, so let's move over to Charles Schwab. Super bullish right here. $9 trillion broker Charles Schwab says if you don't hold at least 10% of your portfolio in Bitcoin, you'll fall significantly behind. I totally agree with him. So what's interesting is this guy has been shown up on, I think it's Bloomberg, right? And he says, no, the president of Charles Schwab says he feels silly for not buying Bitcoin. Now, if you've been buying Bitcoin for years now, pat yourself on the back because you just outdid probably 99% of fund managers in the world. Congratulations. And if you've been in this space for a very, very long time, for a decade or more, man, congratulate yourself because you're the top, the smartest investors in the world by far. Nobody even comes close to you guys. All right, so moving on, we also have Fed Powell says that Bitcoin is just like gold, except it's digital. Actually, no, it's not like gold at all. First off, please tell me in the comments the exact to the ounce how much gold is out there. I want to know because you can't prove it, can you? It's not backed by math, but guess what is? We know exactly 21 million Bitcoin are out there, and it's provable, and it's got a blockchain that you can go ahead and see every single transaction that's ever existed. It's so far beyond gold, it's ridiculous. And it's publicly auditable. Which means that, keep in mind, the Federal Reserve has never been audited, independently audited, I should say. And Bitcoin has every second since it's been born. It's mathematically proven honesty. What a beautiful thing. Next up, let's discuss some signs of a top of a bull market. Now, you need to see many different signs line up in order to determine whether or not we're at the top of the market. One of the signs is when you see everybody acting like a crypto expert. I've seen a lot of different videos out there with people seeming like they know everything. I saw one on XRP saying, yeah, XRP can go to $10,000. I'm going, wow. And they look in there. This is actually a serious video, guys. People are out there like that. They don't know anything about crypto. They don't know anything about market caps at all. So this is why you follow channels like us. We're going to put some sanity into your feed. And if this is one of your first times watching our videos, welcome to this channel. You know what to expect from us. We will be here during this bull market. We will be here during the bear market to guide people through the bear market. And we will be here for the next bull markets like we have been for the last 8 years. Now, I'm going to cover this one other tweet by Crypto Nova. It's a really good tweet, and I think everybody needs to hear this again. The entire altcoin market is in general has already seen some good bounces to many projects. And yet most of the capital inflow is currently going to the most top tokens on centralized exchanges only. The craziest part of this cycle is usually after that, when they learn that there's a whole nother world out there, a world that doesn't exist of multi-billion-dollar market cap projects yet. So what do I mean? It's our altcoins that we've been buying on chain since the beginning of the bear market. Guys, this is where it's way more risky, but the rewards can be ridiculous. And if you're a part of learningcrypto.com, you will be able to see our entire portfolio when we're buying and when we are selling, guys. I'm going to say this every freaking video here because I know so many people think that we're just going to go up forever. Guys, this is my 4th bull market. Okay, and going back to this correction that we just had, this is my final thought here. This is from High Stakes Capital. Very important tweet right here. A correction is usually 20 to 30% on Bitcoin. All alts minus 50%, and more than half of crypto Twitter says the bull market is over. So that is when you know that it is a correction. This is what we've experienced. So for instance, back in 2016 through 18, I saw like 30+% drawdowns, actually 140% for 30% and one high 29% drawdown. That was just for the bull market. Can you imagine going through that? Well, get prepared because I think there's going to be a lot of volatility coming on, especially once we blow past all-time highs and we start going to more of a maturing alt season. Anyways, like and subscribe and enjoy this beautiful view. If you can scan into that mountain, it's just so dramatic here. It's amazing. I love this. This is what you get by taking your cash out of, or taking profits. You can put it towards stuff like this. It's totally worth it.
These videos are serving 2 purposes: our home videos and educational crypto content.
Yes.